In this section, I will be showing how to create a SQL Server service user on a Windows Server 2019 that is a domain controller. This process is not the same as in a Windows 10 or 11 PC. You need to do the following steps. First, we click on Start, then Windows Administrative Tools. Double-click on Active Directory Users and Computers. We go to the specific OU for the users, or if you have one for SQL Server users, you can do that as well. It doesn't have to look like mine. We right-click on an empty space, and we select New, and say User. Just as the previous video, we're going to use the SQL admin user. In this case, last name is optional, but you need to provide a logon name. In this case, we're going to use SQL admin. The password must be a complex password. Confirm the password. Just as before, we uncheck user must change password at next logon. We check user cannot change password, and password never expires. We click next and then finish.